Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,950. It has been driven for 180,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a striking red exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a V6 engine and built on a rear-wheel drive platform, the truck delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience with no notable issues reported. It has been tastefully modified with a 4/6-drop suspension setup, including a C-notch, and sits on 20-inch weld wheels wrapped in Toyota tires, enhancing both its stance and performance. Despite some clear coat wear on the exterior, the vehicle remains in very good condition overall, with a rust-free body. Its key features include a dependable V6 engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive capability, custom lowered suspension, and upgraded wheels and tires, all contributing to its solid performance and appealing appearance. Number 2. 1991 Ford F-150, price $4,900, with only 74,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting relatively low usage for its age. It is powered by a robust 5.8L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, delivering dependable performance suited for both everyday driving and light-duty hauling. The truck features a brown exterior combined with a beige interior, creating a timeless and understated appearance that appeals to those who appreciate vintage utility vehicles. It comes equipped with power steering for easier handling, along with an AM/FM radio and cassette player that reflects the era while still providing basic entertainment. Safety is supported by rear-wheel ABS and active manual seatbelts. Built as a conventional cab with a regular bed and a half-ton capacity, the truck offers a solid balance between utility and simplicity. Its key features, such as low mileage, a durable V8 engine, automatic transmission, and functional, no-nonsense design, are integrated into its overall character. Number 3. 1981 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,500, comes in a white exterior with a blue interior, automatic transmission, and has been driven approximately 45,000 miles on gasoline. The engine was fully rebuilt 2 years ago and upgraded with a board block for stronger torque, a Weber 3236 carburetor, and all new internal seals and springs. It also features a GM igniter conversion along with new brake calipers and pads. The truck is currently not running because the radiator has been removed, and the engine timing is slightly off, requiring adjustment once reinstalled. Previously, it demonstrated strong performance, reaching speeds of up to 111 miles per hour even while carrying a load. Cosmetically, the body has minor flaws but includes several custom and rare features such as an Alpine audio system, Nardi 330 steering wheel with gold inlay, and a Clifford alarm system. Exterior upgrades include front and rear spotlights, for Malawi and Quatch's front lip, chrome eyelids, rare JDM chrome rain guards, and white wall tires. The bed has a fresh liner and is paired with a 7-foot canopy featuring custom glass. Number 4. 1995 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800, that blends originality, reliability, and customization potential in one appealing package. It has been driven 88,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, paired with a dependable inline 6-cylinder engine with a 250 cubic inch displacement running on gasoline. The truck features a green exterior that still looks attractive and classic, combined with a well-kept gray interior that adds to its overall charm and comfort. In terms of condition, the vehicle is reported to be free of rust, runs well, and is ready to be driven without immediate issues. It also comes with a clean title in hand, providing peace of mind for the next owner. While it maintains its original inline-6 configuration for those who appreciate authenticity, it also offers an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts who may want to upgrade or swap in a larger V8 engine for increased power and performance. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, it has been driven approximately 200,000 miles and comes equipped with a 5.7L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. The exterior is finished in green, complemented by a gray interior that remains in good shape. This vehicle holds a clean title and has recently undergone servicing, ensuring it runs and drives great. It also features new brakes installed all around, adding to its overall dependability. With its solid performance, consistent maintenance, and strong mechanical condition, this truck stands out as a reliable and capable choice. Number 6. 2001 Dodge Ram 2500, price $8,988, is a well-preserved example of a durable and reliable pickup, showing clear signs of careful ownership over the years. With just 57,000 miles on the odometer, it offers unusually low usage for its age. It is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission and powered by a strong 5.9L Hemi V8 gasoline engine, providing solid performance and capability for a variety of driving needs. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a tidy gray interior, both of which remain in impressive condition. It comes with a clean title and a verified clean Carfax history, confirming no accidents. The vehicle has benefited from consistent care and remains completely free of rust. For added convenience and safety, it also includes a backup camera. Overall, this Dodge Ram 2500 combines low mileage, a clean history, and excellent cosmetic and mechanical condition, making it a standout option for those seeking a dependable and well-maintained truck. Number 7. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, with a 4.3L V6 engine and 2WD, featuring an automatic transmission. The truck has been driven 182,000 miles and comes in a green exterior with a tan interior. It runs very well, all components are functioning properly, and it has good tires. Recently, several key parts have been replaced, including the serpentine belt, rear brakes and wheel cylinders, distributor with cap and rotor, and the idle speed actuator. However, there are a couple of known issues. The speedometer is inaccurate and tends to display a higher speed than the actual driving speed. Additionally, the check engine light remains on because the catalytic converters have been removed, preventing the O2 sensors from providing proper readings. Number 8. 2001 Chevrolet S10, price $5,000, comes with a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It shows 182,000 miles, with 37,000 actual miles noted, and features a green exterior with a tan interior. The truck has recently passed inspection, April 27, and received maintenance including a fresh oil change, new battery, wipers, and air filter. It was serviced by Crossroads Auto Repair and starts and drives well. The exterior has some dents, scratches, and surface rust, while the interior shows wear such as stains and tears. The air conditioning is present but needs recharging. Overall, it is a solid, functional pickup with recent upkeep. Number 9. 1979 GMC 1500, price $3,000, with around 55,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior, brown interior, and runs on gasoline. Its key features include relatively low mileage, a strong 350 SBC engine paired with a TH350 transmission, and multiple wheel options, making it a versatile and appealing classic truck. The truck starts, runs, and drives, but it needs a harmonic balancer and a new battery. It comes with 3 sets of wheels, stock 15-inch steel wheels, 22-inch wheels, and the 20-inch set currently installed. Recent updates include new carpet and sound deadening, a new carburetor, 650 Edelbrock, fresh oil and filter, a new transmission filter and gasket, braided transmission cooler lines, new wood hinges, and a 5-inch flip kit. Number 10. 1996 Chevrolet Silverado, price $2,750. It has been driven approximately 200,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The truck features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior. It starts easily and runs well, with a strong engine performance. The exhaust produces a solid sound, and the engine maintains oil pressure at around 60 psi. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the vehicle is equipped with an aftermarket Bluetooth radio for added convenience. The interior could benefit from minor replacement parts, and it has been sitting for some time, so a thorough interior cleaning is recommended. The paint is in poor condition, and the passenger side interior door handle needs to be reconnected. Additionally, the power steering pump is beginning to fail, as indicated by a whining noise at idle and during sharp turns. There is also a minor rattle coming from a small exhaust heat shield.